I can never do a cut crease. Everyone else has bomb makeup and I'm over here and all I can do is like a wing or some lashes. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so I already did one eye off the camera. This is what it looks like. And now we're gonna start the other eye. So I'm going in with the ColourPop Cute AF palette. And I'm going to be taking a big fluffy brush like this. And I'm gonna be going in with the third color in the second row. And now what I like to do is start literally like right where you feel your bone. That's where I start. Now you want to apply product first at the end. That's where the most product is going to lay. And then with whatever you have left, you want to push it forward. And just keep going in like windshield wiper movements. And just keep blending. So now you're gonna go in with a concealer, and this is the trick for hooded eyes. I'm just gonna take a small brush like this. Okay, you're gonna place it right in the middle, just do a line like that, and then look up. And then as you can see, it kind of like makes a streak, and then you're just going to follow the line right there of your eye. And look up so you can like pull your skin. Because you don't want it like this, you can't really work with that. And now you're gonna wanna set it just like how you would with your skin. I'm just gonna go in with a translucent powder and just set it. And the reason we're setting this is so that it can blend easily. So now that we set it, I'm just gonna go in with a clean brush and just blend it out some more. Now we're going to take the third color in the first row, right here, on a flat brush like this. Tap off excess, and then just tap it on right here. And you're just gonna fill that whole section. With a clean brush, go out and blend. Now you're gonna go in with a brush like this, tapered at the top. I'm gonna go in with the second color right here. Tap off excess. And I'm gonna focus it on the corner right here and work my way to that crease color, just like that. And then bring it to the center and then blend it all together. I'm doing this to make it like an ombre effect. And then with whatever you have left over, bring it inward. Now we want to clean up the sides. I'm gonna go in with an angled brush like this. Take some translucent powder, put it on your brush. Create the line. Kind of do like a wing. And then just press it downward. I'm gonna go in with a glitter liner. Now I'm just going to trace the crease. And let it dry before you put your lid down. So now that we placed the liner on, we are going to add some lashes. Okay, so I just popped them on off of camera because I suck at placing them on camera. Okay, so as you can tell, you can still see my natural eyelash. You can tell the difference, so we're gonna blend that. And to blend that, I'm just going to be using my everyday mascara and just blending it. Now, with hooded eyes, you want to use any eyelash that is shorter in the front and then longer at the end. And that is so that you can see the work. Because if you have it where it's all equal length, it's going to hide the front of your lid, and that's usually where the hood hides. As you can see, it looks a little bit better. And now I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. Now, some people like winged eyeliner, but with hooded eyes, we all know that it kind of like just looks weird on us. So another way to make your eyelashes pop, because you know that's why we really wear eyeliner, to go in with a black liner like this and just line your waterline. And that does the same thing that a liquid liner would do for you, except with us with hooded eyes, really can't see it. Now to make your eyes look bigger, we're gonna go in with a cream liner and we're gonna line the bottom. Okay, to make it all come together, we're gonna go back in with that tapered brush. We're gonna go in with the second color. We're gonna go right under our lower lash line. And that is just to bring it all together. Okay, so now we have our eye set. Now we are gonna go in one more time with a clean brush and just blend everything one final time. And there we go. We have our cut crease for hooded eyes.